Hi there, students. Effulgent, effulgent, an adjective. Effulgently, adverb. Effulgence as well, the noun of the quality. Okay, so effulgent is a very literary word meaning shining, radiant, shining out with light, resplendent. But we also use it very figuratively. So with the idea of looking very beautiful or looking full of goodness. So the stars shone effulgently in the night sky. The effulgent rays of the sun disappeared behind the back of the mountain. She gave me an effulgent smile, a beautiful smile. Her effulgent beauty staggers me. The effulgence of nature is a wondrous thing. It's radiating goodness and beauty and health. Yeah, it's okay. So it's showing out, emanating joy and goodness. Yeah, there was an effulgent look on his face after he had won the prize. Okay, so radiant, brilliant, giving out rays of, but you can use it in many different metaphorical ways. So effulgent, radiant, luminous, beaming, lustrous, shining, brilliant, incandescent, resplendent, glittering or glowing, or even this word lambent. I've got a video about lambent. Okay, so effulgent, shining, but not only with light, shining with goodness. Okay, his effulgent green eyes showed vitality, love, and happiness. Yeah, he was in the full effulgence of being in love. Okay, so it's something that radiates good qualities. In cities, the stars are not very clear because of the light pollution. But if you go into the middle of nowhere, to the top of a mountain, you will see the full effulgent beauty of the stars, their shine, the effulgent beauty of the moon. Okay, this is a really rather literary word. I think I would probably give it something like a 7 in formality, maybe even a 7.5. So don't use it informally. Radiant, shining, full of vitality, happy, beautiful, informally. I think use it in a semi-formal conversation. Maybe, but it's probably stretching it a bit. I think maybe a semi-formal writing, particularly a descriptive essay or something poetic, yeah, and in something formal, very definitely as well. And then as to origin, okay, this is another one that comes from Latin, from effulgans, flashing or glittering, ex, out of, away from, and fulgeo, to flash, to shine, to gleam. So to shine out, and that's the idea. But we use it more figuratively. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Effulgent, effulgence.